If I could give this, oh stars, I would. Where is my chicken tenders? Have been going here for years and deserve a lot of respect. How dare you, the staff was very nice to me, showing me the true respect I deserve. I have been bullied my whole life, and it's nice to have people who actually care me. For once in my life, my mother disowned me, my father is a traitor. The steak was decent, I guess 10-10-10, except for the chicken. R.I.P. chicken tender, you were a real friend and helped through my lonely life. Never coming here again. From John.